Welcome to Balance 30 Days of Tai Chi. Make sure to click on the link in the description of this video to register for free for this 30-day program. And so, Tai Chi is rooted in the principles of nature, with many of its movements inspired by the movements of animals and the elements like water and wind. By practicing Tai Chi and spending time in nature, we can cultivate a deeper sense of connection with the natural world around us, leading to a greater harmony and balance in our lives. Today's practice is designed to help you connect with nature. So we'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just setting the tone for your flow. One more time, sink the chi. Then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up, opening the door. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Nice and easy, really feeling the sensations. Tuning into the body, tuning into the breath. And then from here, the palms face up. The hands scoop forward, coming all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Gathering in the energy from all around us, and then letting it wash through the body. The bathing breath. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. This time the hands circle all the way around. The hands come together in front of the heart. And then from here, the hands arc out to the sides. And they come back in towards the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest. One more time. Breathing in. Breathing out. Then from here, the arms float down, circle all the way around and hug the tree. Shift your weight to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart, step out to the corner, and push the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Take as many breaths as you need. One more time, the push. And then from here, arms circle all the way up and over. Coming towards the body once again, scooping under. So we do our Tai Chi circling. One more time. All right, this time the front foot steps back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight, step out to the other corner, and push the mountain. Drawing in, pushing out. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the push. And then from here, the hands circle up. They're coming all the way up and over in front of the body, scooping under, coming forward, Tai Chi circling. All right, one more time. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree, bring it to center, and then from here, the hands turn. The bottom hand drops down, toss away, the hand waves in, press forward, palm over palm. Other side, toss away, the elbow bends, the hand waves in, pressing forward towards me, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. One more time. This time, toss away, other hand on top, step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Breathing in, breathing out. Once more. This time we'll step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. All right, one more time. This time the bottom hand scoops up, the palms face up. The hands draw in, then making 2 loose fists, the arms circle all the way up top. The hands open, dropping down, boxing both ears. One more time. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand on top, step in. Both hands together, pushing down, waving in. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the other corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up, weaving it all together. Brush knee and push. All right, one more time. This time, bottom hand scoops up, palms face up. The hands drop down, coming in, 2 loose fists. The arms circle out and around, back up top. The princess or boxing both ears. Very similar to our other movement, the princess on the mountaintop. It's a little subtle energy difference here. Just really feeling the sensations. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, round out, hug the tree. Soften, the arms open up wide. This hand drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions, they float across. Cloud hands. The hands switch again, softening the shoulders, softening the neck. From here, the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up. Bottom hand floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around, single whip. This time, if you want, you can step in and then step out. One more time, single whip. Then release the hook, the hand floats over, cloud hands. Take your time, stepping in, drift across. This time, step in as you make a hook. Step out, single whip. Circling it around, breathing in, breathing out. Circling it around, feeling the sensations, really going for the ride. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, the hands become clouds. Stepping in, drifting across, letting go, connecting with nature. As we learn to move with effortless ease. And one more time, drift across. This time the bottom hand comes up into a hook. The other hand scoops under as we carry the firefly in the lantern. And then switch sides, drift across, soften the elbow and shoulders, letting them drop. Once again, letting go of tension, using only what you need. One more time, the firefly in the lantern. Then release, round out, hug the tree. The arms float all the way out to the sides, then step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides, like a beautiful bird, the crane. You can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, touching down as needed. One more time. This time the arms float up and over just as much as you can. And then stepping down, other side, just the arms at first. The crane, breathing in. Breathing out, touching down or lifting up, moving with the breath. This time the arms can float all the way up and over. And then stepping down, this time cross the wrists down low. Rising up, the arms separate. Scooping down, once again, cross hands. Coming up, floating down, breathing in. Breathing out one more time, cross hands. Then this time, the hands turn, making a diamond shape in front of the heart. Press out, sending out loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. The hands can float down to the lower abdomen. Step your feet together or as close as you can. Closing your eyes or keeping a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently like bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the body breathing. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Today's quote is from Lao Tzu, who said, "Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished." Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know how it felt for you in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.